Jumping into different clothes is one of the most popular type of videos at the moment on socials. And if you wanna know how it's done, just stick around. It may look complicated when you don't understand the concept of how this video is made, but really all it takes is just one cut made at the right time. To make this type of video, you'll just need a couple of sets of clothes that you can change into. I'll use CapCut to edit this video, so if you want to make this type of video while only using your phone, you can.
You can, just use your phone.
So let's jump into the CapCut.
Start a new project and import the video that you filmed for this. While filming, make sure to jump in the same spot and keep your arms in the same position. Now let's cut the video so we have all the elements. In my video, I walk forward, then jump and land wearing glasses. For this part, I'll make the cut right before I land on the ground. Then I fast forward to the part where I jump wearing the glasses and make the cut just before my feet touch the ground. Let the clip play for a few seconds and jump again. Then I make the cut right before I land, like we did previously. Then I fast forward to the point in which I'm wearing different jacket, and again make a cut right before I touch the floor. Allow the clip to play for a few seconds as I'm walking away. This is it for a simple way to do it. Don't forget that you can delete the CapCut logo at the end of your timeline. Now to the more advanced technique. It will fix the sky and traffic in the background, as now we're using 3 different clips from 2 minutes period. If you haven't noticed, rewind the video to see for yourself. To fix this problem, we will mask the subject. Select the second clip and click Overlay button from the menu below. Then select the third clip and do the same thing. Then press and hold on the third clip so you can move it right after the second one. So our sequence is still in order. Now you have to extend the first clip all the way to the end of your last clip, so we will have enough footage of the background. Select the first clip from the bottom row and in the menu below apply mask effect and choose circular mask. Then apply the circle around yourself so you stay inside the circle at all times, even when you're jumping in the air. You can use the arrows around the circle to modify it. Now do exactly the same thing with the second clip from the bottom row.
I bet it was easier than you thought at first. If this was helpful, don't forget to click the like button at the bottom. And make sure to subscribe the channel so you can follow the latest ideas and videos on how to do stuff. And as always, I'll see you next time.